So X-ReArt sent me another box and I cannot wait to show you what's inside. If you have not seen my previous videos on X-ReArt and their beautiful frames, check out the link above. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. And surprise, surprise, what greets us first is this beautiful little folder showing the work that they're doing and all the different frames that you can get. Very well done. Here are some of the Apple ones. So let's get the cover off, and underneath there's a foam cover we need to remove as well. And now. So what we got here is the limited edition tribute to the classics iPhone 2G frame. Check out that beautiful black background, that crisp white text making everything just pop out, and all the components laid out beautifully. So the sample I have here is in walnut wood. It also comes in a black beechwood material, which also makes it look really nice. There are only 1,000 of these frames made, so if you want one, you need to act fast. Head over to X-ReArt and order yours. Use iAppleBytes as a discount code to get 10% off your purchase. Now you also have the chance of winning one, as X-ReArt has made one of these beauties available for one of you guys to win in the first ever giveaway on this channel. So make sure you check out the rules on how to participate in this giveaway. I will post them in the video description below and in the video description of the iOS 16.5 battery test video.